Hi, I'm doing this Caron Kindness yarn as a giveaway. And to participate in the giveaway, make sure you're a subscriber. Also, comment down below maybe what your favorite type of yarn is to work with, or something crochet related. I'll pick a winner with the random comment picker in a couple of weeks. I have a few promos going on. I have a Facebook group and page if you want to be a part of that. It's new. I have Etsy products. Everything's listed down below. I have 2 books on sale on Amazon. And if you want to be a part of Knit Crate, you can have 20% off by putting in the promo code Jewel20. So this giveaway, the texture of this yarn, the feel of it is kind of like smooth, slippery, it is soft. I've never worked with Caron Kindness. If you have, let me know. It's polyester, 100%. That's probably why it has that feel to it. 7 ounces, 198 grams, 45 yards. For medium, calls for a H hook, 10 by 10. Taffy pink, taffy rose. Michael's was having their sale going on a couple of weeks ago, and I took advantage of it and bought a few things as giveaways. I think this would make a really nice scarf or even a hat. It kind of has like a little bit, it's a 4, but it is a little on the thinner side. I mean, it looks like you can make a really pretty blanket with it as well. Okay, let me see probably not going to come out. I don't want to ruin the yarn because it's a giveaway, but you can see it's a 4, it's a little on the thinner side, it's soft. Okay, so please subscribe, please comment down below if you'd like to participate. This is the giveaway for this week. Thank you for watching.